Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some of the best home decoration ideas that will transform your living space into a stylish, comfortable haven. Whether you're decorating a new home or refreshing an old space, we've got tips and inspiration to help you elevate your interiors. Let's get started. Understanding your style. First things first, understanding your style is key. Are you drawn to modern, minimalist designs, or do you love the warmth of rustic, farmhouse decor? Maybe you prefer something more eclectic, with a mix of vintage and contemporary pieces. Whatever your style, embracing it will make decorating so much easier, and your home will feel more personal and authentic. Color scheme. One of the easiest ways to change the feel of your home is by playing with color. A cohesive color scheme ties the entire space together. Neutrals like whites, beiges, and grays are classic choices, but don't shy away from bold hues. Deep blues, rich greens, or even vibrant yellows can add depth and character to a room. If you're unsure, start small with accent colors through pillows, rugs, or artwork. Texture and layers. To make your home feel more cozy and lived in, layering textures is essential. Mix and match materials like wood, metal, velvet, and linen to add warmth and dimension. Rugs, throws, and cushions can instantly elevate a room and make it feel inviting. Don't forget about window treatments. Curtains and blinds are the finishing touches that bring everything together. Statement pieces. Every room needs a focal point. Statement pieces like a bold artwork, a unique light fixture, or a beautifully crafted piece of furniture can elevate your decor. These pieces should stand out but also complement the overall style of the room. Don't be afraid to choose something that reflects your personality. After all, your home is an extension of who you are. Balance and proportions. Achieving balance and proportion in your decor is vital. It's not just about filling a space, but doing so thoughtfully. For example, if you have a large sofa, balance it out with smaller chairs or side tables. Likewise, if you have tall ceilings, make use of vertical space with floor-to-ceiling curtains or tall bookshelves. Keeping things in proportion will help create harmony throughout your home. Plants and greenery. Adding plants is an easy and effective way to breathe life into your home decor. They not only purify the air, but also add color and a touch of nature. Whether it's large statement plants like a fiddle-leaf fig or small succulents on a shelf, greenery brings freshness to any space. Even if you're not a green thumb, low-maintenance options like snake plants or faux plants can work wonders. Personal touches. The most important part of home decoration is to add your own personal touch. Family photos, travel souvenirs, or DIY projects make your space uniquely yours. Don't feel the need to follow trends blindly. What matters most is that your home feels like you. These personal touches will make your house feel more like a home. And there you have it, some simple but impactful home decoration ideas to get you started. Remember, it's all about creating a space that reflects your personality and makes you feel comfortable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!